This video will go over how to sum results in FUDSChem. This includes using reports and Google Earth functionality to sum PFAS and non-PFAS results. First, we'll go to Reports, Chemistry Reports, and choose PFAS Summary. Fill out the drop-downs and click View Report. Note that the summation drop-down will pre-populate, though you can choose a different option. This report displays PFAS data from the selected time frame. Pre-programmed calculations and comparisons are included at the bottom of the report. The lines will highlight in a set color if the calculation exceeds the limit for a given sample. To sum non-PFAS compounds, we can export data to Excel. Go to Reports, Chemistry Reports, Validated Data Export, Approved. Fill out the drop-downs and click View Report. This report displays all approved chemistry data with minimal formatting for ease of end use. We can click the floppy disk icon to export this data to Excel, where we can sort, filter, and apply formulas as needed. Lastly, for a native summing function in FUDSChem, go to Maps, Export Chemistry Layer to Google Earth. For more information on the mapping features, please refer to our Google Earth tutorials, linked in the description. Choose the project. Fill out the drop-downs to choose what to include in your export. The box on the right populates with what we select. The Analytes drop-down shows a standard list of common environmental contaminants found in your project. Reach out to your Synectics point of contact if you would like other analytes added to the list. We can decide which analytes to include in our export. Choosing two analytes on the same row will add them together. For more complex calculations, you can click the wrench icon to open a calculator tool, which allows for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Note that non-detects are treated as zeros for the purposes of calculations. If you include a limit, the results of your calculation will be automatically compared to the limit. Once your calculations are entered, click Export to CSV and open the file in Excel. Here, we can see the data in table format. It includes basic information about the locations and samples, followed by the formula and results. If you included a limit, the exceedance limit column will indicate if it was exceeded, making it easy to filter on exceedances. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.